Want to stay ahead on TikTok? Discover how apps and agencies are changing the game this year. I'll show you in today's video. Okay, so first you're going to log into Seller Center and you're going to go to Apps and Partners, and we're just going to go through these tabs. First, there's a lot of apps, right? For example, if you sell on Amazon and you sell on TikTok, you can connect your Amazon store to TikTok. So when if you generate a sale on TikTok, Amazon gets notified and fulfills the order for you, which is awesome. Now to do that, you can just type in Amazon. And you can see there's so many different Amazon apps. There's this one costs money. And you can see there's some free ones like ForSeller, WebBee. You can see that we're using WebBee right here. And there's also a lot of different things. There's also e-commerce management, print on demand services, right? Drop shipping services, merchandising, shipping and fulfillment, customer engagement, promotions, customer service, finance, catalog, marketing, systems integration, and content management. So Sapphire Studios creates high-performing, user-generated content, creatives to help you create and scale on TikTok. We have worked with over 250 brands in the past year. So again, a lot of different things right here that you can collaborate with just to test them out and see how they do. Now, this is just specifically an app store. Now, also, if you did go into our description, we have a full course on how to sell on TikTok, right? How our client made $1 million using TikTok, 8 million, 100,000. But a lot of this, what it really does show as well is how to connect your TikTok account to your Amazon account, right? So TikTok does the fulfillment. Amazon does the fulfillment for TikTok, which is awesome. Anyway, let's go to find partners. And these are partners that you might want to work with. Now, there's 3 types of partners here. There's live operations. So partners that's going to help you or promote your products via live. There's short video operations where they're creating videos. You send them products and they create videos. And then affiliate operations where they're managing your affiliates, right? And trying to get you the best affiliates to promote your product. Now let's do live operations. And you can see it shows them, it doesn't have pricing, it doesn't have reviews or anything, but you can click on them and then you can check out their website and then see, like, make sure they're legit, explore creator samples. Let's go. Scale your TikTok shop with automated influencer outreach. So it has like its own platform that helps you, and it has bots to outreach, which is pretty cool, right? And then different industries supported. And then kind of just looking into, you can see their gallery and things that they have done. Right? The customer review smells like vanilla ice cream. Tofu-based cat litter from Padan. So again, you can double check different companies you want to hire and see what they could do. And now let's do just one that does seller short operations. So again, WeMarketing, you can see them. And they don't even have a website. I mean, it doesn't have a website button. So again, I might not want to work with them. And then affiliate operations. And then Join Brands. And Join Brands offers a vast network of over 100,000 vetted creators and influencers. So pretty much helping you get in front of the best creators, right? So for example, you can find, we have a client right here, Hickaway. It's a hiccup straw. And what they do is you can give away your product to affiliates. The downside about affiliates is some of them are just really bad, or they're just not getting enough views. You can see they gave away, this one only got 40 likes, 27, only 3 likes, 23, 277. And what we want is something like this one, 40,000 likes, right? So you want to try to target the right types of influencers, the right types of affiliates. So you're actually saving time and saving money. 480 likes, 6,000 likes. And then these ones, you can see these ones are most likely flops. Only 24, 30, 24. This one is 0. And then 27,000 likes. So again, this is why their services are on here. It's just to pretty much help getting you in front of different clients, different influencers. And then if you want somebody to just do lives, you can send them your product and they'll do lives of your product. So you can see what works best. What I recommend is you first try these out yourself. So do a live yourself, do a short video yourself, work on doing affiliates yourself and see how that works. And then you can hire them and see what are they doing different. Do they have access to affiliates you can't get to? Which they probably do. Are there short videos? Do they have a systemized system that makes it easier for them to promote your product and get in front of 1,000 customers? What's the ROI? What about their lives? Are they able to do lives longer than you and switch people out so they're always promoting your product 24/7, right? So there's a lot of different opportunities here that you can look at. You can also look at the leaderboard, and this is TikTok's top performing partners. So you can see who's supposed to be the best in the industry, right? So you can do some different silver, and then you can get different prices from them and see, okay, which ones would you want to hire? That's going to be best for you. Also, creator matchmaking partners. So to collaborate with these affiliate partners and help you drive sales, check out their campaigns. This one specifically, you're going to be giving your product away to them. Let's say you give them 100, and then they're going to be making videos for you for these products, right? So again, this is another, and you can see their monthly $4.9 million monthly that they're making in revenue. So this is why they're gold, 2.8 million. And it looks like they have tons of influencers and affiliates that are going to help you create these. So you can definitely test these out. You can see different products in collaboration, 11,000, 6,000, 29,000 products in collaboration, 4,000. This is #1 in beauty and personal care. So you want to do you want to review and see if it's related to your product. If they are related to your product, then they're probably going to be the best at beauty and personal care. While this one might be the best at sports and outdoors. This one's also health and a lot of women's items. So if you're selling women's items, looks like they're doing the best in this. And this one's going to be sports and outdoors. So a lot of different things, but this is kind of the gist of the apps and partners network. So you can see what works the best for you. But again, I always recommend test it out yourself, understand the platform yourself, test out the live, test out the shoppable videos, test out the affiliate videos yourself before you start hiring people, because then you might hire them and you don't know if they're doing good and don't know if they're doing bad. Obviously you can base it off of sales, but you want to base it off your own content first. And that's it for today's video. If you want more TikTok videos, let me know what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a TikTok seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your TikTok journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on TikTok, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our TikTok management service. This is where we're going to fully manage your inventory. We're going to be calling TikTok, doing your customer service, your ads, your affiliate program, and of course, increasing sales. The benefit of this service is so you can focus on expanding your TikTok store, while we're the ones doing the day-to-day management, making sure everything's going good, you're getting good reviews, customers are happy, sales are increasing. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.